Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can mute your Amazon speaker. Okay, so when you try to use the voice command like this one, Alexa, tell me something about the weather today.
In Stare Miasto, it's 13 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 13 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
Okay, and to mute the speaker, you have to just click on this button. And take a look right now. Alexa, what is the weather today?
I'm not sure where you are.
As you can hear, right now the sound comes from the phone. It's not coming from the speaker.
For now, weather for what city?
So that's how you can mute this voice search on your Amazon.speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.